Let's start with taking the midpoint of bottom line segment. So the equal parts will be 1 unit each. After that, connect this midpoint to point A. And remember that in a right angle triangle, the midpoint of the hypotenuse is equidistant from the vertices. So the red line segment must also be 1 unit. Now focus on this triangle. Since this is an isosceles triangle, corresponding angles must be equal. So this angle will also be 54 degrees. And if we sum up the internal angles, we can find the missing angle of this triangle to be 72 degrees. After that, let's make a copy of the red line segment as follows. And focus on this triangle. Notice that this is also an isosceles triangle, so base angles must be equal. And so the missing angle of this triangle will be 36 degrees. Therefore, this angle can easily be calculated as 18 degrees. And so this angle will be 60 degrees. After that, let's connect point G and point E. Now focus on this triangle. And notice that this is an isosceles triangle with a 60 degree apex angle, which means this is actually an equilateral triangle. So all three sides must be equal. After this, let's focus on this blue angle. We can see that this angle is 90 minus 18 degrees, and that will be 72 degrees. Now focus on this triangle, and notice that we have equal base angles. So this triangle is also isosceles, and its corresponding sides must be equal. And finally, let's focus on this quadrilateral. And notice that this is a deltoid or a kite. And remember that in deltoids, diagonals are perpendicular. These yellow line segments are the diagonals of our deltoid. So this angle must be 90 degrees. And if you focus on the shaded triangle, our missing angle alpha can be calculated as 30 degrees. I'll see you on the next one.